Welcome to Top Places, your ultimate guide to the best spots around the globe. Today, we're on a mouth-watering journey across America to discover the top pizza places you simply can't miss. Whether you're a local or on a grand American tour, these spots are guaranteed to tantalize your taste buds. 1. New York City, New York. Lombardi's Pizza. Starting in the bustling streets of New York City, Lombardi's, America's first pizzeria, offers a classic Neapolitan pizza cooked in a coal-fired oven, giving it a unique, smoky flavor. 1. Chicago, Illinois, Pequod's Pizza. Next, we head to Chicago, where deep dish pizza reigns supreme. Pequod's Pizza is renowned for its caramelized crust and rich, hearty toppings, a true Chicagoan delight. 1. San Francisco, California, Tony's Pizza Napoletana. Flying over to the West Coast, Tony's Pizza Napoletana in San Francisco awaits with its award-winning Neapolitan pizzas, each cooked to perfection. 1. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Pizzeria Beddia, back east in Philadelphia. Pizzeria. Beddia steals the show with its artisanal pies, known for their crispy crusts and locally sourced ingredients. 1. New Haven, Connecticut, Frank Pepe Pizzeria Napoletana. In New Haven, Frank Pepe Pizzeria Napoletana offers a taste of history with its legendary white clam pizza, a must-try for any pizza aficionado. As we wrap up our delicious journey, remember, these are just a few gems in America's vast pizza landscape. So grab a slice, explore these amazing spots, and keep following Top Places for more culinary adventures.